In our last lesson, we learned how to answer a telephone call in a friendly or casual way. This time, we are going to learn some commonly used dialogues to clarify about something. Let's start. Everyday conversation. Learning American English. Lesson 7. Can you say that again? The objectives of this lesson are as follows. Pronounce words with th and ph and give examples. Say commonly used dialogues or phrases to clarify something. Widen your vocabulary. For the first activity, please describe the picture. That's right. You can also describe it as follows. The man is an elderly person. It seems that he cannot hear someone clearly. Maybe he is asking to say the words again. Now, let us move to the next page. Pronunciation practice. In this lesson, we are going to practice pronouncing words with th and ph. Let's begin. Words that starts with th. First, please repeat after me. Think. 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 Throw. 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 Thunder. 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 Words with th in the middle. Neither. 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 Weather. 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 Anything. 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 Words with th in the end. Cloth. 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 With. 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 Growth. 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 Next, let's read words with ph. Words that starts with ph. Philippines. 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 Phase. 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 Photo. 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 Words with ph in the middle. Sophisticated. 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 Bibliography. 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 Alphabet. 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 Words with ph at the end. Photograph. 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 Nymph. 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 Triumph. 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 Very good. Now let us move to the next page. Vocabulary. First, please repeat after me. Formal. Sample sentence. Folks were a bit more formal back then. Next. Disconnect. Disconnect the hot wires from the switch. Next. Reception. There was a pleasant reception area. Next. Availability. You may be asked to contact the owner to confirm availability. Next. Stop. Stop thinking about it. Well done. Now, your turn. Please read aloud the vocabulary words and the sample sentences by yourself. Very good. Let's move to the next page. For the dialogue. First, repeat after me. Hello. Hi, Stephanie, how are things at the office? Hi, Luke. How are you? Can you please stop and pick up extra paper for the computer printer? What did you say? Can you repeat that, please? Did you say to pick up ink for the printer? Sorry, the phone is cutting out. Can you hear me now? No, I need more computer paper. Listen, I'll text you exactly what I need. Thanks, Luke. Talk to you later. Thanks, Stephanie. Sorry, my phone has really bad reception here. Now, let us read each role. First, I will be Luke. And you will be Stephanie. Let's begin. Hello. Hi, Stephanie, how are things at the office? What did you say? Can you repeat that, please? Did you say to pick up ink for the printer? Sorry, the phone is cutting out. Thanks, Stephanie. Sorry, my phone has really bad reception here. Okay. Let us exchange lines. This time, you will be Luke. And I will be Stephanie. Let's begin. Hi Luke. How are you? Can you please stop and pick up extra paper for the computer printer? Can you hear me now? No, I need more computer paper. Listen, I'll text you exactly what I need. Thanks, Luke. Talk to you later. Great. Now let me give you the language notes for this lesson. Language notes. There are a few ways to express a lack of understanding and to request additional information. The most common ones are stated, but you can also say, "Excuse me," or simply, "I can't hear you." In a more formal situation, try saying, "I'm sorry," or "I beg your pardon," with a rising intonation. When asking someone to clarify information, try saying, "Can you please repeat that? Can you spell that for me? Can you please write down the address for me?" Cutting out describes a difficulty in understanding a caller due to poor cell phone reception. If you are having trouble understanding the caller, you can also say, "The line is breaking up, I am losing you." If the phone call is disconnected because of poor reception, you can say, "The call dropped." "Talk to you later" is the equivalent in a phone conversation of "see you later" in a regular, face-to-face conversation. Reception here means the availability of cellular service, the possibility to receive and give calls on a cell phone. Cell phone reception can be limited in remote areas, inside large buildings or underground, in the subway, for instance. That's all for today's video lesson. Thank you for watching. Coming up next. Lesson 8. Learn the commonly used dialogues when coincidence happens. Please subscribe for more videos. And turn on notification to be updated on my new uploads.